Okay, good morning students. Today the next topic is derivatives of functions in parametric forms. Derivatives of functions in parametric forms. Maybe one of the important one, logarithmic differentiation and parametric differentiation. We both are important one. 2 marks, 3 marks, E-type. Okay. Maximum compulsory one problem in logarithmic differentiation and parameter differentiation. One question or any question, 2 marks or 3 marks or 5 marks, any question, one question must be will come. Derivatives of functions in parametric forms. Parametric form means like theta, t or any with respect x, without with respect x, excluding x, remaining theta in terms of theta, in terms of t, in terms of y or any other variable. So must be find out lastly find out dy by dx, but in parametric form, by using parametric form. Okay, next exercise 5.6. 5.6, first one. X is equal to 2at square, x is equal to 2at square, y is equal to at power 4. In before classes, in previous classes, what I said, with respect to x means x and the given function y is equal to y, x is not a constant, remaining all are constant. Remaining all are means t also constant. But here t is a variable, x, y are functions. X, y are functions, t is a variable. So here t is not a constant. So first of all, x is equal to 2at square, x is equal to 2at square. Differentiate with what we have to find the derivative of dy by dx. In x and y are connected parametrically by the equations given in the exercise 1 without eliminating the parameter. Find dy by dx. Okay. So derivative with respect to t. First of all, we have to find derivative with respect to t, not with respect to. With respect to x means t is a constant 0. No use. With respect to x means derivative d. Listen carefully. Derivative means d. Which function we have to derivate? X function. So dx. Okay. Derivative. Which function? X function we have to derivate by with respect to t means dt. Dx by dt. So with respect to t means all quantities replace x replace with t. Okay. So derivative of x1 at the same time derivative of t1, derivative of x square 2x, derivative of t square 2t, derivative of x power n, derivative of t power n, same as it is with respect to 2a is always constant, t square derivative d by dt of t square. Here y is equal to at power 4, derivative with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to a is a constant, d by dt of, not d by dx, because here with respect to what? With respect to t. So t power 4. So that is equal to 2a is always constant, t square. T square means x square. X square derivative 2x. T square derivative 2t into d by dt. D by dt of t. D by dx of x 1. D by dt of t also 1. So into 1. So that is equal to a into 4t cube into 1. I think they can go. D by dt of t. T cancel 1 into d by dt of t. So 1. So 2 into 2 4at. Dx by dt is equal to 4at. Dy by dt is equal to 4at cube into 1 into 1. So what we have to find out? Dy by dx, not dy by dx by dt. Dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx can be written as dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt, dx by dt and dt by dx. So fine. So dy by dt, the 4at cube by dx by dt, 4at, a cancel only. So finally t square. What is the value? Dy by dx value? T square. This is the parameter differentiation, important topic. Next, the second one. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b cos theta. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Y is also b cos theta. So here same procedure. In the first problem, derivative with respect to x. So second problem is derivative with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Dx by d theta. Dx by d theta. A into constant d by d theta with respect to theta into cos theta. So dy by d theta b into d by d theta of cos theta. So a into derivative of cos theta, derivative of cos x minus sin x. So b into minus sin theta. Finally dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta minus b sin theta by minus a sin theta. So b by a. Answer is b by a. Okay, next sixth one. X is equal to a into sixth one, x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, a into 1 plus cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta, dx by d theta is equal to a is a constant. Okay, derivative of d by d theta of theta minus d by d theta of sin theta. So that is equal to a into derivative of theta with respect to theta 1 minus derivative of sin theta cos theta. That is equal to formula in the trigonometry formula, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. One minus cos theta. So differentiate with respect to theta, dy by d theta is equal to a into derivative of 1 no 0, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. So formula minus a into, what is the sin theta formula? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta and cos theta, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This is the trigonometric formulas, not only integration derivative formulas. So finally dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta is equal to dy by d theta minus 2a sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Next 2a sin square theta by 2, 2 cancel, a cancel, 1 sin cancel. That is equal to cos by sin is equal to minus cot theta by 2, minus cot theta by 2. Next one. Tenth problem, very important one. X is equal to a into cos theta plus theta into sin theta. Y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Sin theta minus theta cos theta. Very very important. 3 marks question. So differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Dx by d theta a into d by d, derivative of u plus v. Derivative of u plus v is equal to u dash plus v dash. Derivative of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus v. First derivative of d by dx, not dx, d theta of cos theta plus d by d theta of theta into sin theta. This is u into v formula. Theta sin theta both are functions. Dx by d theta is equal to a into derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta plus u into v formula. U into derivative of sin theta cos theta plus sin theta v into derivative of u theta, derivative of theta 1. So that is equal to minus a sin theta plus a into theta into cos theta plus a sin theta plus a sin theta minus a sin theta cancel, a theta cos theta. Once again derivative of u plus v is equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v. In derivative of v again apply the u into v formula. U into v dash plus v into u dash. Derivative of x1 at same time. In the same way derivative of theta is also 1 no. So dx by d theta is equal to multiply with a, the 3 terms, multiply with of all terms, multiply with all terms. Next, differentiate with respect to theta. Dy by d theta is equal to a into d by d theta of sin theta minus d by d theta of theta into cos theta, u into v formula, that is equal to a into derivative of sin theta is equal to cos theta minus bracket u into v, u into derivative of v minus derivative of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta plus cos theta v into u dash, derivative of theta is equal to 1 no. So multiply a into cos theta, a cos theta minus into minus plus a theta sin theta, a theta sin theta, minus into plus minus a cos theta. So a cos theta cancel. Dy by d theta is equal to a theta sin theta. What we have to find out? Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta a theta into sin theta by dx by d theta a theta into cos theta, a cancel, sin by cos is equal to tan theta. This is the very very important problem. Next one, this is also important. X is equal to root of a sin inverse t, root of a power sin inverse t. Y is equal to root of a cos inverse t. dy by d, show that dy by dx is equal to minus y by t. First, actually dx by dt root x is normal procedure. First method is normal method, derivative with respect to the t, dx by dt is equal to first root x 1 by 2 root x by a power x. Okay, this is the normal procedure, correct procedure. In a simple procedure, x into y is equal to root of a power sin inverse t into root of a power cos inverse t. So root a into root b is equal to root of a into b. Root of a into b is equal to root a power sin inverse t into a power cos inverse t, that is equal to root of a power m into a power n formula. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m plus n sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. So that is equal to root of, in the inverse trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric function sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is equal to pi by 2. A power pi by 2. A is a constant, pi is a constant. So derivative with respect to x, derivative with respect to x, u into v formula, x into derivative of y dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is equal to 1 equal to 0, because a is a constant, pi by 2 value 3.14, 3.14 is also constant. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Okay. So 8th problem, last problem in the class, x is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2, log of tan t by 2. Y is equal to a sin t, y is equal to a into sin t. With respect to theta or t? With respect to t. With respect to t. dx by dt is equal to a into derivative of cos t minus sin t plus derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. 1 by x means 1 by tan x by 2 into d by dx of tan t by 2, tan t by 2. So that is equal to a into minus sin t plus 1 by tan t by 2, derivative of tan x, secant square x, secant square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2, 1 by 2. So that is equal to simplify secant means 1 by cos square, cot means simplification y dy by dt is equal to a into sin t derivative cos t. Simplification secant square t by 2 by tan t by 2. The simplification note secant square t by 2 means 1 by cos square t by 2. 1 by tan t by 2 is equal to cot t by 2. Cot t by 2 means cos t by 2. Cos t by 2 by sin t by 2. 1 cos cancel. 1 by sin t by 2. 1 by sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. 1 by 2 into formula sin 2a formula sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Sin a formula 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 na, so that is equal to 1 by sin t. 1 by sin t is equal to cosecant t. So a into minus sin t, the totally plus 1 by sin t. So that is equal to a into sin t LCM minus sin square t plus 1. 1 minus sin square t. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. A into cos square t by sin t. So finally dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to a into cos t by dy by dt by dx by dt. A cos square t by sin t. A cancel, 1 cos cancel, 1 by cot equal to tan t. A cancel, cos cancel, cos by sin is equal to tan. 1 by cos by sin is equal to cot. 1 by cot is equal to tan. This one. Okay. Okay, tomorrow second order derivative. First order, this is the first order and one time derivative. One time derivative is completed. Next tomorrow second order derivative and 2 times derivative. First time, second time. Okay, that's why all are we have to perfect the first derivative. Okay, if you first derivative is perfect, then second derivative is very easy. That's why first derivative is main important. First derivative is perfect. Okay, thank you.